Load your family into the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, an outside temperature display, heated and ventilated seats, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and voice-activated navigation. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.